Go ahead.
Here's Jenny's puppies. They are 5 weeks old today.
Little babies. Little babies.
Here's Jenny.
She's so sweet. Very so sweet.
Now, she's really petite. She's heavier now than she is regular out in the kennel. And that's because we supplement feed. You can see she doesn't have a skinny waist at all.
Oh, she's nice and fat.
We throw a lot of milk powder at our mommies, full of calories and calcium. Makes these puppies fat and keeps the mommy fat. What are you doing?
Hi, Jenny. Hi, sweetie.
Hello, little puppies. I see you. I see you. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. You're cute. Yes. What do we got here? A boy. Blue and white.
Really evenly marked.
He's got a little bit of tan eyebrows in his cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
They're all gonna look like her.
Except be blue and white.
Yeah, but the same. This is her last litter. We've gotten pictures from her previous litters. People sent us when their dogs got older, and they look like her. Just gorgeous. Yeah, just gorgeous. Who we got here?
It's a little girl.
Little girl. She's got a mommy and daddy.
Yes.
She's kind of a chocolate lavender. Chocolate.
She getting any tan on her face? Oh, a little bit.
It may come out more.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi to your mommy.
Hi, Mama. Here I am, doing good.
What do we got here? Here's a little boy.
He's got a spot on his head. That's how we tell him from the other little boy. Pretty evenly marked.
A bit smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Charted him out the other day at 4.5 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
And they're pretty chunky right now. Fat puppies. Come here, you. What are you being quiet for? Hmm?
That should be the other girl.
Yep. She has a daddy.
Say hello. Hello,
Hi to my
Daddy.
daddy.
I'm getting pretty. A little bit of tan on her cheeks,
She's
too.
trying to diaper him while I'm holding her.
You cleaning your babies. Oh, Jenny, you're such a good mama. Such a good mama. Yes, you're such a good mama. So there's not much to see on these guys besides the fact that they're healthy and they're certainly little fatties. They're doing well. Mama's doing well.
They're just growing.
Just growing.
Growing and eating.
Yes, growing. Hi, Mama Jenny. So Jenny will be spayed after she's done weaning the puppies and all of that. She'll be spayed. If you're interested in checking into adoption on her, definitely let us know. She's an extremely sweet little girl, and she'll make someone a wonderful pet. Yes, she will.
Got something on the side of your head. Kind of sticky. At 5 weeks, puppies don't do much for you.
No.
You love your puppies, huh?
Yes, she does. She's a wonderful mama.
She's very petite, too. You can see she's thick in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Oh, do we get some ears going up there? Oh my goodness, are you proud of your babies? Are you proud of your babies?
Yes. I feel teeth. They got teeth.
Teeth. Oh no, Mama.
Sometimes when they're little like this, their teeth take a while longer to come in. I was little. I was born little.
Oh yeah.
You see the cute little apple heads. Tail's up. Look at my little tail being up.
Little cuties. Hi to you. Hi to you, Mama.
You happy girl, Jenny? Huh? You come here and sit with me? Come here. You can do it. Just get up. Don't let go. Don't let go. Come here. Come here with your daddy. Come here with your daddy. Oh my goodness. Come here. No, don't let you go. Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Come here. Oh.
He looks like she looks like she's going to be the first one to have her ears up. The little lavender chocolate spotted one.
Yeah. The dot on the head.
Mm-hmm. Such a sweet girl. Such a sweet girl. Yes, she is. So here they are. You can watch them grow up on live puppy cam. You go to our website with the link posted with this video. You'll see you can click right on the live, watch the live puppy cams. See them through their process, growing up.
What are you doing under there? Huh?
That's Lauren. It's a little puppy butt sticking out
Yeah.
there. Little puppy
Alrighty.
butt. Here they are.
Bye, Jenny.
Hey, bye-bye.